Tech Flashes here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you two methods to hack Cookie Clicker. So first, you gotta go to Cookie Clicker. Okay, and then bashnet this one. And then for my first method, you have to go to my website. I'm going to put it in the description below so you can just go down and click on the link. So it's techflashes .00web, or you can go to techflashes.weebly.com or anything. It's going to redirect it to the site anyway. So go to YouTube, and then for the first method, we're going to copy it to clipboard. So okay, and then you can either click Control Shift I or F12. You can do any way. And then when you're here, do Control V to paste it. Click this. Go to Console first. Do Control V, and then Enter. And then boom, finished. Infinity cookies. Infinity. And you basically unlocked everything. You can spam this. Or, oh, it might not be so fun. So if you want to restart the game or something, you can click this eye icon here, view site information, and then click cookies, and then remove everything over here. Click done, and then reload the page. And yeah, you just restarted the game. For my second method, you want to go to my site again, click on this second method, copy to clipboard, okay, go back, and then you want to go to Options, Import Save, and then paste it, Control V. Click Load, and you finish it, and this is like more, see? And then you can brag about it to your friends. And yeah, that's it. And remember, to restart the game, click here, click cookies, and remove them all, and then click done. And reload it. And you restart the game. And yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to like this video, comment, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.